Welcome back to the channel. I'm Silas and today we're diving into the Breville Barista Pro and Espresso extraction. Now, it's important to know this is an all-encompassing espresso machine for home. For beginners, for advanced at home, we've got the built-in on the top grinder, we've got the steam wand and an integrated easy to read, easy to work with LCD screen, but today we're going to dive straight in and work on the espresso extraction with this built-in grinder. Let's get into it and we'll check out our grind size and adjustments. Throwing this guy in here. On the side here, we've got the coarseness of the grind size. We push our portafilter in, it starts grinding, and I can change that grind particle size down. At any point, pressing that handle. Perfect. So we're going to check that out. Let's talk about grind size. The grind is one of the most important factors when pulling a great espresso shot. Too coarse and the water will flow through too quickly, leading to a sour shot. Too fine and it can cause over extraction and bitterness. Shameless plug, I love to always use Kai coffee. If we need to adjust the amount of coffee we get from our extraction, we're using this dial on the front to enable this number to go up or the number to go down. Portafilter in. Our countdown. Okay, now it's important with our espresso to make sure we're getting it in nice, neat, and even in here. I'm using about 18 grams of coffee here. You want an even, firm tamp to ensure smooth extraction. Firm pressure. Now it's time to pull the shot. I'm going to lock the portafilter into the group head and press the shot button. We watch the flow closely. You should see a steady, even stream of espresso coming out. Too fast or too slow, we're going to need to adjust that grind slightly. Look at that, rich golden crema. That's what we're aiming for. A good shot of espresso should take 25 to 30 seconds to pull. There it is. Nice. So what we want there is we want balanced sweetness, balanced sour, balanced bitterness. We don't want anything to be too astringent or an overall bitterness going on there. The Breville Barista Pro, we know that it's a home espresso machine that can get the job done, deliver cafe quality results. If you've liked our content, jump on, subscribe, follow us, write on your comments down below. Thanks guys.